Welcome back. In today's video we are going to teach you daily use English sentences. Try to repeat after me. Let's begin. How are you? How are you? How are you? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Call me back. Call me back. Call me back. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea. No thanks, I am okay. No thanks, I am okay. No thanks, I am okay. How's it going? How is it going? How's it going? Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I am busy. I am busy. I'm busy. I am sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. It was really good. It was really good. It was really good. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I agree. I agree. I agree. See you. See you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I do not understand. I do not understand. I don't understand. It really takes time. It really takes time. It really takes time. What is your name? What is your name? What's your name? I am not really sure. I am not really sure. I'm not really sure. You inspire me. You inspire me. You inspire me. Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? I need a little help. I need a little help. I need a little help. I feel much better. I feel much better. I feel much better. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Keep it there. Keep it there. Keep it there. You do it yourself. You do it yourself. Please help yourself. Please help yourself. Please help yourself. Please say something. Please say something. Please say something. You are so lucky. You are so lucky. You are so lucky. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Can I come tomorrow? Can I come tomorrow? Can I come tomorrow? I haven't told anyone. I haven't told anyone. I haven't told anyone. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. What's the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem? This is great. This is great. This is great. I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Is this yours? Is this yours? Is this yours? Whose car is this? Whose car is this? Whose car is this? This is enough for today, alright? If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay well and keep learning with us. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching.